Hi everybody, today we're going to do some Nutella croissants. First, we need pastry, Nutella, cut the pastry with triangles, and spoon the Nutella on this pastry. Now we need to roll it. I'm gonna do this with all of them. See you on the next one. The croissants are ready to bake, but they're not yet. You need to put some extra, make it golden. Now they're ready to bake. Ask your mommy to put in the oven in 20 minutes. See you on the next one. They're ready to eat. Please subscribe down below. Bye bye everybody. See you next time.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my son.